What happens if we wrap kangaroo
In lumpia wrapper.
Onion.
Wait, tulog po ba ang kangaroo?
Sawaya.
Ay!
Ginger.
Garlic, siguro half.
Right half.
Sige na.
Kangaroo.
Hindi naman adobo yan eh! Calamansi, but the convenient way.
Potato starch.
Why potato starch?
Yan.
Explain nyo!
Maging glossy pa rin siya.
Australian chefs try to make adobo.
Dapat sila nagbago ka ng accent. Hindi na.
Tiki mo na.
Don't saw it! Don't fucking saw it!
Shit! Magsisil na siya by itself po, no? Yes.
Automatic yan.
Yeah. Okay. Yung ricotta naman po, hindi naman po siya malulusaw,
Ay,
no?
hindi ko alam.